Rutilated quartz.
Pan 5.
Quartz is the second most abundant mineral in the world. But not all quartz is the same.
Pan 5.
Rutilated quartz is one of the most unique types of quartz, valued not for its perfections but its imperfections.
Pan 5.
Rutilated quartz is becoming more appreciated today than ever before, even if many don't know its name.
Pan 5. Pan 5. Pan 5. Pan 5.
A bit ethereal with an array of colors. Rutilated quartz is seen as spiritual and illuminating.
Pan 5.
It may not be the most prized birthstone, but it offers unique value, lore, and meaning.
Pan 5.
From spiritual growth to emotional healing, rutilated quartz is enhancing in its own.
Pan 5. Pan 5. Pan 5. Pan 5.
Rutilated quartz is a type of quartz classified by its unique inclusions.
Pan 5.
The term rutilated refers to those imperfections which are tiny and often described as needle-like. These divots are embedded fine and add texture to the quartz.
Pan 5. Pan 5. Pan 5.
Rutilated quartz is not used as widely as other types of quartz. It is most commonly seen as
Pan 5.
cabochon cuts for jewelry. It's also used for meditative purposes and spiritual healing.
Pan 5.
Thus, even though rutilated quartz is not used as much, it holds value for many. Thanks for watching.
Pan 5.